Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to take you through a quick video tour of our VW Tiguan. So this is our 2014 VW Tiguan. It's the TDI BlueMotion 2-wheel drive. It's covered just over 103,000 miles from new. Has had 2 previous owners, with the last owning it since 2017. It's got 8 service stamps, recently serviced. And whilst on our care, we've replaced the rear disc and pads, given it 4 brand new tyres, replaced the clutch and flywheel, giving it a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in lovely condition for the age and mileage. Couple little stone chips and odds little bits here and there, but really nothing terrible. It's a very, very smart looking car. Inside, you've got DAB radio, satellite navigation, touchscreen for the sat nav as well, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual with a 2-litre diesel engine, quite economical for a car of this size. You've got front, rear and side parking sensors as well. So very well equipped, and it all looks in really nice condition too. Plenty of leg space in the back. These are really, really nice family cars, these. Nice little picnic benches on the back of the seats as well. Keep the kids entertained. And you've also got a lovely big practical boot to match as well. Very, very nice motors, these. Drive really well, very comfortable, good on fuel as well for a larger car. This one clearly been looked after with its regular servicing. And now you've got 4 brand new tyres, new clutch and flywheel, new disc and pads on the back. It's ready to go to its new owner. Very, very nice looking motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.